What's up, buddy?
Hey, cutie!
Welcome back to another video, everybody. This is gonna be a new series on the channel. So yeah, I'm not only gonna be doing the hardcore survival as Minecraft, I'm also gonna be playing other mini games and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments what you guys prefer.
Nobody cares!
I'm at 4 enemies right now, so I need 2 more and I'm gonna go back and get my armor. Okay, coming over.
Oh yeah, shoot.
Shit on!
They're coming to our base.
Right now?
Uh,
Coming. Bruh. Is it high ground retake of some sort? Wait, what is this? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see more of. You guys want to see more of the mini games, the server type playing, or do you guys want to see more of the survival hardcore series right now? I might start up some other stuff as well, but for right now, this is what I got going. Gold! Gold, Marcy! Gold!
Gold, Mazia!
Come on!
The shorty, come here. I'm trying to blow her back out.
the last one. Help me break. Help me break.
I'm gonna kill.
He's going right in my area.
I'm gonna kill.
One of them is trying to go to our bed.
Come here, one.
Your plan, pal.
Oh, he fell.
Can you make that simple jump? Fuck. Damn it.
He didn't even make that simple jump. Yeah.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Nice.
Oh, last one. A moron.
Oh shit, he firebombed me.
Digimon, better player.
Digimon!
Victory Royale!
Can't really
Coming to our
help.
base right now.
Oh shit.
Help. Kill him, low HP. Kill him.
Oh, wait, what the
my
f- I thought you were him.
That's going in the montage for sure. The video for sure. Fucking dumbass.
I was so used to you being gray, I don't know why.
He literally went for a bed and broke it because you were fucking trying to kill me. You dumbass.
Go.
Let's go. It's fine, let him go. Actually, no, kill him. No, watch out. You're gonna die. Okay. This guy's motherfucker. You can't take those fights over with that. Dude, no help.
Got him. Got the bed. I'm dead. Oh my god! I swear, got one from green. Let's go!
Dude.
I like this.
Blue, let's go. Score on him, but I killed one. I was trying to get our base.
I got red. We got the most.
Oh, box up.
Dude, this is not a good strategy. Nice stools. Alright. Shit on. This one's 6 HP.
Okay, kill a pig. Dead. Hey.
Let's go! Boom! Hold him.
Oh no, he got me in the last second.
Well, little does he know. That was a smart kill.
Yeah, this is my kill. There's 1 heart, by the way.
I'm smart killing him.
No.
Look at his ass. Some dog. Some absolute shit, bro. That's what I thought. What? What?
Huh?
I was.